Hey guys, welcome back to Random Noise 2.0. As I said in my last video that I'll show you the part 2 and part 3. This is the part 2. तो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करके मैं सीधा दिखाऊंगा कि क्या क्या और देखे हम लोग हैरी पॉटर्स वर्ल्ड में. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. दिस इज प्रोफेसर डम्बलडोर्स ऑफिस. ये हैग्रिड्स का हट है. यार मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं वीडियो में, खाली देखो यार. मुझे जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है. मेरे को बोलने का मन नहीं है यार. इतना मोहित हो गया मैं ना ये सब चीज़ देख के कि इतना साल से बचपन से हम लोग ये फिल्म देखते थे. अभी मतलब ये सब सेट हम लोग खुद मतलब क्या बोले लाइव देख रहे हैं. तो दिस इज़ रियली रियली एक्साइटिंग एंड ये लाइफ में बार बार होता नहीं है. भगवान का धन्यवाद दूंगा कि ये सब मैं देख पा रहा हूँ मैं. यहाँ का लोग हैरी पॉटर नहीं बोलते. यहाँ का लोग बोलता है हैरी पॉटर. टी में बहुत स्ट्रेस है. हैरी पॉटर. मैं हाईली रिकमेंड करूँगा अगर लंदन आ रहे तो प्लीज़ आओ. ये सब जगह में ना लंदन घूम के कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. ये सब जगह आओ. बच्चे लोग बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा कि ये फिल्म का हिस्ट्री क्या रहा और इसका स्टोरी का बेस क्या है. बहुत एक्साइटिंग. मुझे लग रहा है इतना बच्चे लोग के मतलब आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो प्लीज़ डू कम. ये गच का हथौड़ा है ना. वो तो वम्पिंग विलो है. वही है ना. वो जो गाड़ी के ऊपर गिर गया था वही है शायद. हाँ वो जो गाड़ी के ऊपर चढ़ गया था ना.
closes?
Yep.
Look at them.
Yeah. ठीक से यार डांटेगा भी. This is basically the dark art which was being portrayed in the film. देखो. यार ये तो बहुत ही भूतिया लग रहा है यार. ये जो डार्क आर्ट का जो कैरेक्टर्स है ये ऊपर से देखो टंग रहा है. लग रहा है कि ऊपर ही गिर जाएगा अभी. अब ये आ गया मेरा फेवरेट कैरेक्टर हैग्रिड. ये हैग्रिड है ना? सॉरी मैं ना नाम भूल जाता हूँ कभी कभी. ये भी फिल्म का ही सेट है. बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है.
Not every day your young man turns 11, is it? I should have said that. I should not have said that. You're a wizard, Harry.
प्लीज़ कोई कमेंट करो कि आप लोग को कैसे लग रहा है ये वीडियो, क्योंकि ऐसा वीडियो और भी आगे आने वाला है यार. तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करना मत भूलना और प्लीज़ लाइक करना भी मत भूलना. बहुत मतलब क्या बोले इसको, बहुत दूर आके ये सब मैं वीडियो कर रहा हूँ आके सिर्फ आप लोग के लिए.
See Martin playing Hagrid. Well, if you take a look at the screen over here, you'll be able to see we have got Hagrid pulling a Christmas tree into Hogwarts, waving the children goodbye at Hogsmeade Station, and even dancing with Madame Maxine in the ball. Now, these are all scenes where we have Martin Bayfield playing Hagrid, and as you can see, it is from quite far away. Any of the closer shots that you would have seen were indeed Coltrane. Now, as I mentioned before, we had a head on top of him. When we are going in between each scene with both of our actors, it is staying true to size. And of course, as I mentioned, it was the same with our sets. So a little bit further back, you would have seen Hagrid's hut. That one there is Martin Bayfield, so it's designed to fit him inside. But if we have Robbie Coltrane, who's just that bit smaller, he's not going to look very good in it, is he? So of course we had to build him his own one as well. So we had two different versions. But that is everything from me, everyone. It's been an absolute pleasure. I'm now going to direct you over to Kim in our child's classroom as she shows you one of our brand new practical special effects, especially for discovery.
Did you see me?
Yeah.
I took a video to show it to mummy.
I got Hermione's one. I got Hermione's one.
This is the forest. ये वो भूतिया जंगल है हैरी पॉटर का. अरे बाप रे. ओ
Are you scared?
Wow.
There's a button where you can do lightning and everything.
A really simple but really effective special effect. Now, just to let you know, in the film industry, a special effect is known as something that happens live on set. You've already seen a couple on your way around, I'm sure. Those self-stirring cauldrons in the patient's classroom, and obviously the trophies that are spinning around themselves. These are special effects, and when in films, when you get green screen or CGI, that is known as visual effects. But back to our special effects, and the child's classroom here, which, just for your information, was filmed on location in the first film at Harrow School, the fourth form in Harrow School, a school attended by some famous people like Lord Byron and Winston Churchill. But we've recreated it here with the scene where Hermione very cleverly makes the feather fly on her first attempt, and we're going to demonstrate this for you now. Does anybody remember the spell to make the feather fly? What house are you in? Ravenclaw? 100 points to Ravenclaw. It is indeed Wingardium Leviosa, but just so you remember, it's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Alright, you said it perfectly. Now I do need 3 volunteers, so as you read the spell, you can have one. It's your birthday, so you can have one as well. And one more, there we go, Kanta, and you're a Hufflepuff. So 1,000,000 points to Hufflepuff. Alright, fantastic. Now what I want you to do, remember the action is swish and flick, and the spell is Wingardium Leviosa. Alright, so we're going to try that now. Grown-ups, feel free to join in as well, and we're going to try and make this feather fly. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Wingardium. I don't think we said it loud enough. You've got to really enunciate, really mean it. Alright? So we're going to try it again. Are you ready? Nice and loudly. 3, 2, 1. Fabulous. There we go. Isn't that magic? It's beautiful, isn't it? So you've all made the feather fly. It is brilliant. Now that is a special effect, and it's a really simple one, but sadly I'm going to show you how we did it. So if you have a look behind me, you can see it's literally a fishing line. A fishing rod with a fishing line. But the line is called tungsten wire. It's very thin, and almost invisible to the naked eye, attached to a fishing line. And John Richardson, the head of special effects, was literally on set with said fishing line, wobbling that feather. And I'm sure you'll agree, it's a very simple special.
The Patronus. Guys, here is the second part of the video. Third part will be continued. Please stay tuned to my channel, Random Brush 2.0. And now I'm going to show you the third part in the next video. So till then, goodbye, cheers, and take care.